Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to post long video on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app. And now, you want to click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen. And by the way, this tutorial is very simple. So as you can see, I'm just gonna choose the 3-minute long video, and after that I'm just gonna click on the next button at the upper right corner of my screen. Welcome. So here you can just go ahead and edit your video. Okay, so after you edit your video, you want to click on the next button at the lower right corner of your screen. Here you can edit the cover by clicking the edit cover. You can write your caption, tag people, add topics, add location. Okay, so after you've done that, you can just go ahead and share that video. Okay, so that's it. That is how you upload long video on Instagram using your mobile device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.